Good evening, guys. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel again. As of now, I am preparing 2 cups of milk tea. We are going to enjoy it with samosa. Elisa is also interested in milk tea and garma garam samosa. It's very simple and tastes good.
Subscribe and share. Mm.
This is a tea garden. Literally, it looks so beautiful. So incredible Assam, incredible India, and Assam is famous for tea garden also, right? I think you already know that the state of Assam is world's largest tea growing region by production, and I live here in Assam, so I just felt a need to share it with you guys how we make tea from tea leaves at home with our traditional tools. Hope you guys will enjoy it. So watch the video till end. Now I have collected around 2 kg of clean and fresh tea leaves and going to make it with traditional tools. Yeah, this is our traditional machine we use at home. In Boro it is called as in Boro what is it called? Wal and Kaihen in Boro language. So here we use interesting tools to grind tea leaves. Such type of tools are basically available in our village home. These traditional tools are used for many purposes, especially grinding of rice, chilies, turmeric, etc. In case you do not have this type of tools, then you could try it using one stone and a flat to grind the tea leaves with the help of your hand. And believe me, it is a super easy process for around 1 kg to 2 kg of tea leaves to grind it, and even it does not consume too much time as well. This is my far away target because we have to smash the leaves early as possible. So now this is almost ready. It has taken around half an hour to finish grinding completely as per as our requirement. After that, we transfer it to other container which is called songrai in our Boro language. That's it. So after 5 minutes of waiting, it looks yellowish in color, and yes, that's a good sign for multi-test. Jadi?
Assam.
Beautiful.
Taste is good. It looks beautiful color. Get it.
And one more fact is that Assam tea is a black tea. It is named after the region of its production in Assam, and it is manufactured specifically from plant called Camellia sinensis or Assamica. It is so famous due to well known for its body, richness, melty flavor, and strong bright color. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and stay tuned.